viewers, and thanks for viewing. So the purpose of this video is how to make an image enter a text in Photoshop, which is very easy, which I'm going to show you guys right now. And me, I really want to give content that really works. And if you are facing any challenges at all that you couldn't do this, then you can reply, comment, then let me know what is really going on. I mean, where you are having difficulties. So I'm going to move down to Photoshop. Here is Photoshop. Okay, this is Photoshop. So I'm going to move an image right here to Photoshop. Let me use this. So we are using this image. Sorry, I did not pick that. So you move it down here to another layer here. So you click on text. So once you click on text, you just type the word you want. Let me use strong. Let me use strong. No, let me use weak. Okay, it's okay, I think. Okay, I'm using weak. Where is it weak? This weak. So go to this, click this and you can change the font or increase it. Okay, let me increase this to about 250. Alright, I think I'm looking at it. 250. So what you just have to do, here is the text layer and here is the image here. So you remove this lock sign. Cancel this. So you should know that whenever you want to do this, you want to make the image enter the text. So this is just what you have to do. You try, just make sure that you try to move the image to be ahead of the text. So you see it. Can you see it? Yeah, good. We are good. So here is the text. Here is the text and here is the image. So what you just have to do, you hold your Alt. Just see it. Hold your Alt. Make sure that you are clicking on you highlighted the image. Make sure the image is highlighted. So you just hold your the Alt key on the keyboard. Then this thing that is you just while holding the Alt, just try moving your hand. You can see this arrow. Yeah, just press it. That's just how to do it. Very easy. Very easy. So you can if you really want to make the what's it called? You really want to make the image to be shown very well on the text, just use your Ctrl T. If it's not that hard, you start moving it. So that's how to do this. It's not that hard. So in another way, this is what we have to do. You go to your file, new, we open a new background color. So let us use this. You want to carry the image here now. Let us use this. So here is the image. Here is the image. Enter. Go to text. Alright. Then you type what you want. Week. reduce this. So 50. Still reduce it again. Let's put it to 90. Okay, we are okay with this. So this, we are just trying to put this on, what is it called, on a layer which is white. So let me try and reduce this. Just that what is here is that you are the owner of your work. You already know, you know how you want to do your stuff. So I've already shown you guys how to do it. Make text enter into an image. So which is, so I'm just showing you guys. So here is it. Very easy. Move this ahead. So you just hold your hot and see it. Press this. That's how to do it. That's how to do it. So maybe for example now, you can as well make it two image, one by the right, one by the left, then you just join the two together. Okay, let us do it now. Let us do it. See how it works. Okay, this is one image. Make use Ctrl T to make it more small. This is one. This is another one again. So this is what you just have to do. Can you see that? Move this down. Very easy. You can see that. You can see that. Very easy. So that's how to make text enter into an make image enter into a text on Photoshop. Very easy. So that is it, guys. Very easy. Bye. And always subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and that will impress me to do release great content coming. So when you subscribe to my channel, it will trigger me to release great more content coming ahead. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for viewing. Bye.